Good morning, students. Today in this session I take opportunity to discuss 2 marks examples on relation and function. So let us begin with the first example. It is given that let star be a binary operation on Q defined by, so here A star B is defined, star is a binary operation, A star B equal to, it is a AB divided by 2. For all AB belonging to Q, show that star is a associative. So associative condition is, it is a star B star C equal to A star B star C. Here first 2 elements we have to group it, and we have to last 2 elements we have to group it. Then we have to take a LHS and we have to simplify, and take a RHS and simplifying. So if it is a LHS equal to RHS, then it will satisfy the associative condition. So let us do this. So I am taking first LHS part. LHS equal to, it is a star B star C. So first we have to simplify the bracket A star B. So it is a given here, A star B is, it is a AB divided by 2, star will be as it is, C is as it is. Further, once again star operation we have to use. Star operation is, clearly we will observe that both element we have to multiply and then we have to divide it by 2. So both element we have to multiply, that is here it is a AB divided by 2 into C we have to multiply, and whole divided by 2 we have to take it. Then so we are going to get this expression. Further we have to simplify. So simplification is A B C divided by 2 into 2, we are going to get it as a 4. So this is a LHS part, we will call it as a equation 1. Similarly we will take a RHS part. RHS, it is A star B star C, last 2 elements are grouped here. So A star will be as it is. So bracket we have to simplify, B star C. So A place we have to take it as a B, B place we have to take it as a C. So we are going to get BC divided by 2. So above definition we have to apply. A star B is AB divided by 2. So further, once again the star operation we have to use it. So star operation is AB we have to multiply, divide by 2. So these 2 quantities we have to multiply, A into BC divided by 2. Further we have to divide it by 2. So we will simplify this. We will get A BC divided by 2 into 2, we are going to get it as a 4. So this is RHS simplification, we call it as a equation 2. And we will observe that from equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will observe that LHS equal to RHS. Therefore we can say that star is a binary operation and it will satisfy associative. Therefore star is associative. Star is associative. So like this we have to verify the given result. So similarly we'll move to one more example. On R, set of reals is defined by A star B equal to A plus B divided by 2. Verify whether star is associative. So we have to verify whether it is satisfying the relation A star B star C equal to A star B star C. First we have to group first 2 element and last 2 element we have to group it. Then we have to take a LHS part. LHS is, it is a star B star C. In this example star operation is A and B we have to add it, extra 2 we have to divide it here. So A star B, first I am going to simplify the bracket. So I am going to get A plus B divided by 2. This is a star operation, and star C as it is. Once again apply the star operation. So both quantity we have to add it, divided by 2. By the definition it is. So a plus b by 2 plus c. I have added both the quantities divided by 2 here. So simplify this one. Simplifying, we get a plus b plus 2c divided by 2 is a LCM. Further simplifying, 2 into 2, we are going to get it as a 4 as an answer. This is a solution, we are going to get it. Similarly, we'll simplify the RHS part. RHS is, it is a star b star c equal to a star b star c. So operation is a star operation is, so both quantity we have to add it divided by 2. So I am going to get b plus c divided by 2. So this I get it. Once again we have to use a star operation. Both quantity we have to add it divided by 2. So it is a is the first quantity, second quantity is b plus c divided by 2. Add it, whole divided by 2 it is. Further we'll take a LCM. So we get 2a plus b plus c divided by LCM 2 into 2, we are going to get it as a 4. So this is our RHS. So LHS simplification I call it as a equation 1, RHS simplification I call it as a equation 2. So we'll observe that here LHS and RHS are different. Here it is a LHS a plus b plus 2c divided by 4, whereas in a RHS 2a plus b plus c divided by 4. So both are different. Therefore we can say from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we will observe that star is not associative. Star is not associative. Star is not a associative. Yes. So similarly, one more possible example will solve it. Example number 3. Show that the function f is such that it is a defined from set of a natural number to natural number given by f of x equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. So first we will verify 1 1 function. So for 1 1 we'll consider. So for a 1 1, by definition we have to take f of x1 equal to f of x2. After simplifying, if we get a x1 equal to x2, then it is a 1 1. So f of x, here it is a given that f of x is 2x it is. So x1 it will become 2x1, f of x2 2x2. So both side 2 is a common, so we'll divide by a 2 here. We are going to get a x1 equal to x2 it is. So by the definition, if f of x1 equal to f of x2, further x1 equal to x2, then it is a 1 1. Therefore I can say f is 1 1 here. So first part is over. Then we'll verify for onto. For onto, I'm going to take the given function as f of x equal to y. So given f of x is, it is a 2x and RHS y as it is. Now after taking this, we have to write a solution for x, whether it is a belonging to the given function we have to verify. So x equal to y divided by 2. So we will observe that if it is a x is a even number, then it is a belonging. Suppose it is a odd number, y is a 3, then 3 by 2 is not belonging to a natural number. So not belonging to the set of a natural number, therefore not onto. Therefore it verifies that the given function is 1 1 but it is a not a onto. So dear students, so 2 mark examples on relation and functions we have discussed. Similar type of examples you can practice yourself. So thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, thank you.